You most probably already know by clicking on a clip and moving it around, you can place it anywhere you want, and it is just a simple overwrite. This is called lift and overwrite. Notice how you are overwriting the other clip or the gaps if you like. Let's say you want to cut this clip from where it is and insert it just where the playhead is. The first thing you think about is to cut and paste insert. So you will cut it from here, Ctrl X, Command X on the Mac. You position your playhead and you do Ctrl Shift V or Command Shift V on the Mac, and you have paste inserted. Of course, video 1 has been rippled to the right with video 2 also, because they are both auto-selected. I will undo this. There is a faster method if you like, is select your clip and press on Ctrl and Shift or Command and Shift and start dragging it around. Keep it on the same track for now. You notice it's telling you how far you're going. So I'm now -1 second and 19 frames. But also you notice that it is really inserting by rippling V1 to the right, of course. Here you are, you can just snap it here. So make sure when you're using this command, your snapping is always on. Notice how it's inserting on V1. Let's come and just drop it over here. Notice the snapping with the small triangles or the arrows up and down. This is called a lift and then insert. And it's very useful here. What I don't like about this command is if you select and press Ctrl and Shift and try to go down, you notice that it's working as an overwrite. So it's a lift overwrite, is no more an insert, and you just cut your clips. I will undo this twice, keep it here. So the lift insert is Ctrl Shift or Command Shift on the Mac, plus click and drag, and you drop it wherever you require. Try always to have your snapping on so you can be more precise and see exactly where it is dropping. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.